Hello friends, today we are going to draw two girls. First, take a skin color and draw big circle. Now using red color, here we draw her frock. Now hands with the skin color, legs like this. Now fill color inside the circle using skin color, same like frog with the red color. And now draw two dots for her eyes and big smiley face like this. Now make outline darker. Her ears. And now hairs. Now draw a ribbon with the red color matching to her frock. Now second girl, draw a big circle. Now using pink color directly we are drawing frog, her legs, hands like this, and now fill color in circle and in frog like this. Now here draw hairband. You can use your imagination. Two dots for eyes and big smiley face like this. See, our two girls are ready. It's very easy. We only use circle and triangle shape. Here you don't use any sketch pen, pencil, etc. Just use oil pastel colors. You can draw design on frock like this. Thank you.